Good morning, class 4th. Class is your English literature book, and we have started chapter 9th, A Crow in the House, written by Ruskin Bond. So, yesterday we have completed till this line. Okay, success with pets. So, from the next line, grandmother insisted that Caesar was a pest in spite of his engaging habits. If he had only behaved this way in his own house, it would not have been so bad. But he took to visiting neighbors' houses and stealing pens, pencils, ribbons, combs, toys, shuttlecocks, toothbrushes, and false teeth. He was especially fond of toothbrushes and made a collection of them on top of the cupboard in my room. Most of the neighbors were represented in our house by a toothbrush. Toothbrush sales went up that year, and so did grandmother's blood pressure. So here grandmother said that Caesar made a problem not only for them, not only for the family, but also creating problem disturbance for the neighbors also. Sometimes he stole their personal things like hair ribbons, combs, toys, shuttlecocks, okay, toothbrushes. He was also fond of toothbrushes, and that's why he put them on the cupboard, and that's also he disturbed everybody with his nonsense creativity. क्लास यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि यहाँ पे दादी माँ कह रही हैं कि जो सीजर है वो केवल अपने बदमाशियों से, अपनी शरारतों से केवल उस फैमिली को नहीं परेशान, अगर केवल उस फैमिली की बात होती चलो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन वो जितने आस पड़ोस के जो लोग थे उन लोग के यहाँ भी जाके बहुत परेशान करता था. उनके जो घरेलू सामान होते हैं जैसे पेन्स हुआ, पेंसिल हुआ, रिबन हुआ, कॉम्स, टॉय, शटलकॉक, टूथब्रशेस, फॉल्स टीथ मतलब जैसे जो बूढ़े दादाजी नाना लोग होते हैं लगाते ना दांत, तो वही फॉल्स टीथ. तो उन तरह की चीज़ों को भी वो अपने साथ उठा ले आता था, ठीक, और ला करके उस घर में जो दादी माँ का जो कबर्ड है उनके टॉप पर रखता था. और एंड ही वॉज स्पेशली फॉन्ड ऑफ टूथ ब्रशेस. उसको टूथ ब्रशेस बहुत पसंद थे, तो उसका एक कलेक्शन बना के रखा और उन सबको ला करके दादी माँ के अलमारी के ऊपर रख देता था, जिससे सारे जो पड़ोसी लोग थे वो आते थे अपना सामान खोजते हुए. तो ये इस अपने हरकतों से वो फैमिली को भी और नेबर्स को सबको परेशान करके रखा था. Caesar spied on children going to the bania shop and often managed to snatch sweets from them as they came out. Clothes pegs fascinated him. He was also fond of toothbrushes and clothes pegs. जो कपड़ों पे वो लगाते ना क्लिप, जिससे कपड़ा उड़ ना जाए, वही. Clothes pegs fascinated him. Neighbors would return from the bazaar to find their washing lying in the mud with no sign of the pegs. These pegs too found their way on the top of the cupboard. Like the toothbrushes, also clothes pegs lying on the cupboard, top of the cupboard. So here, not just because sometimes he went to the shopkeeper's shop, okay, and snatched sweets from the children. He also stole clothes pegs of his neighbors, which he put on the top of the cupboard. यहाँ पे क्या कह रहा है कि जो सीजर था, जो क्रो था, वो जैसे छोटे बच्चे जाते ना शॉपकीपर के पास सामान लेने के लिए, तो उन बच्चों के पीछे पीछे जाता था और वो उनके हाथों में स्वीट्स थी अगर तो उनको वो छीन लेता था, ठीक. और जो क्लोज पैक्स होते हैं वो भी उसको बहुत पसंद थे, ठीक, और उसको भी वो ले आ करके और घर पे दादी माँ की जो अलमारी थी उसके ऊपर वो रख देता था, जिससे कि सारे फैमिली वाले भी और जो नेबर्स थे वो सब के सब परेशान हो जाते थे. नेक्स्ट, इट वॉज सीजर्स गार्डनिंग एक्टिविटीज विच फाइनली लेड to disaster. He was helping himself to a neighbor's beans when someone flung a stick at him. Breaking his leg, I carried the bird home and both grandfather and I washed and bandaged his leg as best as we could, but it would not mend. Caesar hung his head and no longer talked. He grew old, weaker, day by day. refusing to eat. So now, just because of his nonsense activities or disturbing elements, he led to disaster. He led to his end. One day, when he was stealing neighbor's beans, someone threw a stick at him and broke his leg. So the boy and his grandfather carried it to the house and take care too much. Okay, a lot. But no response. Caesar grew weaker and weaker, refused to eat anything and also lost his health. Okay, एक दिन क्या हुआ, वो जितनी उसकी शरारतें थी ना वो उसके एंड की तरफ जा रहे थे. ठीक, एक दिन क्या हुआ कि वो कोई नेबर थे, पड़ोसी थे, तो उनका बीन्स छीन करके वो भाग रहा था, है उड़ रहा था, उसको स्टोल करने के वो कर रहा था कोई. तब तक किसी ने क्या किया, एक स्टिक लिया और खींच करके उसको, जब उसको थ्रो किया, मारा, तो उसके पैर पे लगा, उससे उसका पैर जो था वो टूट गया. ठीक, अब बॉय ने और दादाजी ने दोनों ने उसको अपने घर लेके आया, उसको वॉश किया, बैंडेज किया, केयर किया, लेकिन वो ठीक नहीं हुआ. सीजर जो था उसको एकदम धीरे दिन ब दिन वो अपना जो हेल्थ था उसका लूज, धीरे दिन ब दिन वीक होता जा रहा था. ना वो कुछ खा रहा था, ना वो बोल रहा था, नथिंग. ओके. One morning I found him dead on the sofa, his legs stiff in the air. Poor Caesar, his antisocial habits had led to his early end. I dug a shallow grave in the garden and buried him there along with all the toothbrushes and clothes pegs he had collected. So this is the end of the crow. One morning, the boy found Caesar dead on the sofa. Its legs also made hard. Okay, and this is happened just because of his unfriendly, disturbing habits. So the boy dug a small grave, put inside, and also keep there toothbrushes and clothes that he collected. Okay, so here the story is completed. So hope you all enjoying it and also learn a lesson from this. Okay, so thank you.